How to use pepper spray. Pepper spray is a self-defense tool you can use to temporarily blind a person. Ensure your pepper spray is not expired. Check the can itself for an expiration date. Mine expires in 4 years. The can is probably embedded inside a keychain holder. Put the spray somewhere easily accessible when you need it, or simply take it out and hold it in your hand if you already feel threatened. To use the spray, first remove the safety lock by moving the trigger to the right. Firmly grip the can in your dominant hand and make sure the nozzle is pointing out. Make sure your finger isn't covering the nozzle. Ensure you're about 5 feet away from the person you intend to spray. Hold your other arm out with the hand with the spray a little behind. This allows you to push a person away and prevent them from grabbing the can. Turn and move so you're not downwind, otherwise the spray can come back at you. When you're ready to spray, fully extend your arm and press down using your thumb on the trigger. Hold the trigger down and spray an S or circular shape. You don't have to spend time aiming directly at their face. As you spray, make sure you start moving back, otherwise you can walk into your spray. As you notice the spray takes effect, go ahead and escape and seek help. Make sure to practice and become familiar with the spray before using it. And that's how to use pepper spray.